In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light cover on your Subaru Impreza. To remove the fog light cover, we're going to push this little clip down with a pick tool, then we're going to use another one to pull it out. Pull that down, and then just pull it out. To install your fog light cover, there's a little groove in this top. You're going to want to line this up with that, and then just push in. And make sure that clip returns up. You can use a little pry tool to help it along. Just like that.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.